Pakistan block. Guys, good morning. Today, our lesson is known as the defense counter with judo combination. Then right after the execution to the ground, you finish your opponent. For instance, your opponent inflict for punching like that. All you have to do is crouch, apply double tapping from the body and upper, this one. Then scoop, clip, through the ground. After to the ground, execute. Finishing technique, twist. Execution like this. Block standing block. So thank you so much guys. This is free lesson. All you have to do is you have to like and share. This is nationwide combat karate session. Block standing block.